Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new unit that just arrived. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This boat is in the light blue hull color. I know it's a little hard to tell here in the showroom. We have the silver accent stripes with the chrome decals. We have high aft rails, low bow rails, which is included with our fishing package and our trolling motor package, excuse me, not our fishing package. So trolling motor panel, the optional bow cushion. Included in that fishing package I just mentioned is your cooler, your rod rack, and then there is tackle station on the starboard side. This boat is equipped with the bimini top with navy canvas. Navy canvas is also on the console and as well as the leaning post for covers. This boat is equipped with the JL Fusion or the JL Audio stereo system. We have a 7-inch Simrad up here on the dash. We also have the teak boarding steps. Just adds a nice little flair. In the aft of the boat, we have equipped this one with the live well option. So you can see that light blue interior there. So we got cup holders, rod holders, and additional storage back here for your fishing needs. This boat is equipped with a standard Mercury 60 horsepower. If you guys have any questions about this fantastic model, feel free to give us a call. That's 843-747-1889. Thanks again for watching.